to introduce myself. I'm Aurel Sofiana Premhadani, a student from the Economics Education Cooperative Program IUP 2022 at Universitas Negeri Semarang. Today, I will present the latest report on South Korea's economic indicators covering inflation rates, interest rates, and developments in private sector credit. Let's dive into the full report. The most recent inflation rate in South Korea stands at 1.53% as of November 2024, reflecting an increase from the previous rate of 1.25%. Over the long term, from January 1966 to November 2024, the country's inflation rate has averaged 6.82%, with the lowest record at -0.43% in September 2019 and the highest at 32.51% in October 1980. The data shows significant fluctuation over the decades during at 1970s and early 1980s inflation rates spiked sharply, which reached over 30%. This period was marked by global economic instability, including oil crisis that heavily impact South Korea economy. However, starting at the mid-1918, inflation began to decline thanks to structural reforms and better economic management. By the 2000s, inflation stabilized, remaining consistently below 5%. Recent years, particularly since 2010, have seen inflation staying close to zero, with occasional deflationary periods, such as in September 2019. This reflects South Korea's shift toward a mature economy with well-controlled monetary policies. Today, the slight increase to 1.53% aligned with global economic recovery trends, signaling steady manageable inflation. The latest inflation rate in South Korea for November 2024 is 1.53%, reflecting a slight increase from 1.25% in October 2024. Over the past few months, inflation has shown a general downward trend, decreasing from a hike of 2.92% in April 2024 to its current level. Notably, the inflation rate peaked at 2.92% in April before steadily declining, reaching 2.67% in May, 2.41% in June, and 2.01% in August. By September 2024, it dropped further to 1.6%, demonstrating consistent stabilization. This trend highlights South Korea's efforts to control inflation amidst global economic uncertainties. The current rate of 1.53% reflects a stable and well-managed economy. As of November 2024, South Korea's annual inflation rate stands at 1.53%, showing continued stability compared to previous months. Meanwhile, the monthly inflation rate for November was recorded at -0.25%, signaling a slight deflation. The consumer price index for the same period is at 114.40 index points, reflecting stable consumer pricing trends. On the monetary side, the USD exchange rate is 1,350.79 Korean won per USD, while the money supply totaled 4,076,483 billion Korean won as of September 2024. In the credit sector, private sector credit reached 3,356,377 billion Korean won, with business credit at 2,023,784 billion Korean won and household credit at 1,332,592 billion Korean won. Within this, mortgage credit stands at 720,543 billion Korean won and consumer credit at 612,048 billion Korean won. Interest rate remain moderate with the deposit interest rate at 3.49%, the business credit interest rate at 4.77%, and the mortgage credit interest rate at 3.74% as of September 2024. The policy rate record in October 2024 is 3.25%. Lastly, household financial obligations remain significant, with the household debt to GDP ratio at 19.2% as of March 2024 and the debt service ratio for the private non-financial sector at 22% for the first quarter of 2024. These indicators highlight South Korea's stable economic performance and effective financial management amidst global challenges. That concludes the report on South Korean select economic indicators. We have explored the trends in inflation, interest rate, and private sector credit, showing the country's stable economic performance amid global challenges. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and see you in the next report. Have a great day.